gonna do, how many cups of flour? It's 2 cups of flour, but I think in total you're gonna end up using 4 or something. This is what the ladies' recipes, ooh. It said go till it's foamy. I got my warm milk on the side. I need 1/3 cup of sugar. Should I even add, I'm gonna only have a little bit of salt. I'm waiting on my hair to come. What am I talking about? I'm waiting on the stuff for my hair to come. In the meantime, we're making cinnamon rolls. I have 2 cups of flour in here, and then I'm gonna fill this up with sugar. It's gonna be 1/3 cup of sugar. Oh, don't do me like this. Don't do me like this. You know, baking, I wasn't always so good at it because I think that, oh, I can add a little bit of this, a little bit of that. If I take some back, then it'll be okay. Bitch, that's not how shit work. This is like chemistry. It's so cool, but it's like math. I'm not too good at it, but I'm just gonna follow the recipe exactly and see what I get, because I can't be mad if it come out fucked up. You know? We're gonna finish putting the sugar in there. If this bitch don't open, everybody needs to. I'm fucking mad, actually. I only have salted butter. Okay, y'all, it says that I need, first of all, it says I need to add salt, my sugar, and my flour to this, but I only have salted butter, and it said to adjust it. This is salted. They said to adjust it, like for every half stick of butter, it's like adjusted by 1/4 of a tablespoon, but it's already half of a teaspoon. It's already half of a teaspoon. I'm not doing that. This is the butter I think is gonna be enough salt in it, and if it ain't, it's okay. We're gonna milk this now. This is not even technically butter, y'all. I have Kerrygold butter in there, but I don't want to get it, so just be quiet. I feel like this is appropriate. It feels like Christmas. Put this whole thing in there. It'll tell you on Blue Bonnet, it'll tell you how many tablespoons and the measurements and stuff like that. So I'm just gonna put this whole stick in there for it to melt. Okay, y'all, I did my yeast. Usually it works, but I don't think my milk was hot enough because it's not blooming. It's not getting foamy. This is the yeast. I feel like it's been sitting here for a long time, so I'm about to just make some new mixture. Y'all, I made a new batch, and it said for me to add 1 teaspoon of sugar so that the yeast can have something. Ooh, shit. They can have something to eat on, I guess. Stir it up. I don't got packets of yeast to just be a wasting, because I already wasted 1. It says sprinkle this over it. Don't stir it immediately. Let it sit for like 1 to 2 minutes. Mind you, I already used this one, so. Anyway, let me clean up my mess because we're gonna clean as we go. I don't even feel like finishing this video, y'all. Seriously. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's moving. Not because I just shook the table either. Baking is so cool. This is so cool. I'm gonna let it sit for 1 minute, then I'm gonna mix it up. Oh, it's moving. Period.
37 first, boy.
My yeast. Okay, I'm gonna let it rise for like 2 more minutes, and then I'm gonna add it to my stuff. We can get going then. Seriously, get out of my way, girl. Okay, so I have the melted butter. Ooh. Then I have the yeast mixture, and then I gotta add 2 eggs. Beat for 3 minutes. I'm not showing y'all that. I'm not finna play. Let me get a fork. And hey, remember this still got a proof for like an hour until it doubles in size. Bitch. Oh, I hope that don't affect nothing. Some of it spilled on my table. Don't worry, guys, I'm gonna wipe down everything once I'm done. Now I said 3 minutes. Go ahead and gradually add the rest of the flour that the recipe calls for, 1/2 cup at a time. Okay, y'all, this is my dough. I'm gonna add this 1/2 cup, and then the last thing I'm gonna have to add is 1/4 of a cup. And this is what they saying, y'all, but it's getting harder to mix, but I think it's supposed to be like this, for real. Baby, your hand should be clean anyway, but go ahead and use your hand to get in there, because I found it much easier than trying to go back and forth with a fork. I finished doing this. lightly floured surface for 5 minutes. It definitely feels different than like pizza dough whenever I make that pizza dough. If that video's up by the time this is up, y'all, that's a long video to edit, but it's probably not even gonna take me that long. I don't even know if I'm kneading right, but it's gonna be right today. 5 minutes. Y'all gonna get a time-lapse version. I just feel like a dough maker. And if I'm doing this wrong, it's okay. I hope. Until it's smooth and elastic. It's already kind of elastic, but it's really not that smooth yet. Oh, that was good. You kind of push her out. What are you talking about? Y'all hear all that commotion? It's my big fat ass. Sorry. I would say I was gonna leave it at home today, but I am home. Okay, y'all can't come with me no more. I'm gonna just stand up because I think I gotta get into the nitty gritty. Okay, so I looked it up. Is that the stickier the dough is gonna have a softer, fluffier cinnamon roll, because my dough was just sticky, but I was gonna add some more flour, but I'm not gonna do that. A little bit. Avocado oil, sorry y'all. You need to make sure your hands are clean, because I just stopped doing it with my hands, with my fork, because I have what's that thing called? Something. I don't have a KitchenAid or anything. I just had to do it with my hands, but the fork is not helpful at all. So you're gonna put this in the bowl, cover it with a stained towel. Let it rise for like an hour until it doubles in size. Now we're gonna clean up. I'll see y'all back when that is done. After you have your dough evenly rolled out, I'm gonna add the recipe for the spread here because I totally forgot to record it. I was occupied. Put that on there, roll it up very tightly from the long end first, and then cut it in half, and then cut those halves into 6 pieces so that you can have 12. This is what they look like right now. They done doubled up in size. They have heavy whipping cream on them. I forgot to let them proof like before. I forgot to let them, double in size before I put the heavy cream in there. So they just in there. I'm about to put them in the oven now for 20 minutes. And at 10 minutes, I'm gonna make the frosted so that it can be ready for whenever these come out. Yeah, I don't feel like doing any other angles. So you need 1/4. You're supposed to do unsalted butter, but I'm doing salted butter because I don't have unsalted butter. I'm just not gonna add salt. And for your recipe, if you use this recipe, do it like me. I didn't add any salt. And I'm gonna use this because I have both of these still. 4 ounces of cream cheese. This is 8 ounces, so this is just half of this. 1.5 cups of powdered sugar. Something like that, or maybe 1 1/4. Guys, double this recipe because I needed way more icing. I was smart. If you don't want to be like me, you don't want to make this mess like this, put a paper towel under the powdered sugar or something. You're supposed to do 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, but I'm not doing that. I'm just gonna pour it with my heart. And we're gonna see. Just mix this, okay? Until it's well combined. I should have used a bigger bowl, but it's all right. Y'all, I just put too much fucking vanilla in here. It already had vanilla, and I was like, okay, I'm gonna add a little bit more. Bitch, I added a lot more. Do y'all see it, bro? Oh, I added too much vanilla. Tastes like cheesecake, y'all. Y'all see how clumpy it is a little bit from the butter? I'm gonna try to break it up. I'm gonna see if I can put this in the microwave so that it's not really clumpy, but it does have, you see those lumps of butter in there. Let's see what they look like. Do you want one? I'm so happy. I haven't had one yet. Okay, y'all, I guess it's only right for us to taste one of them. Okay, we're gonna use a Merry Christmas plate. Cinnamon rolls remind me of Christmas. But we're just gonna, I don't want a big one though. Let me get this corner piece here. Y'all listen, I always put this on the sides of my pot and so it gets rid in this plastic. I know I shouldn't do that, but that's why it broke, because I always do that. But I really like this spatula, so yes. Focus, ho. Okay, y'all, my hair is done under this, but it's wrapped up right now and I'm not. Here she is in all her glory. This is a spoon that I use for the brown sugar mixture. We're gonna try it. I'm scared. I need a fork. I want a fork. Bro, my fucking forks are dirty. Hey man, they not good. I don't even keep plastic forks. Oh. Okay, I'm excited. Let me find out like a bait. It's so good and it's so soft and it's moist. I give this an 8.5. It tastes really close to like a cinnamon roll. Like so close. But there's something. I wouldn't say there's something missing, but there's something like, it's like this close to a cinnamon roll. But it's not. They're like, you get like, okay, this is like their cousin. Or they sister on their daddy's side. You know. This is the sister on the daddy's side to cinnamon. Cinnamon, hit me up, babes. I don't know. I don't want to say it's missing anything because it's not. It's really good. But I can't put my finger on it. I don't really want anything sweet now because I sat here and I fucking made that. I wanted that last night and I didn't make it till today. So I'm probably gonna finish it. But the rest of them, I'm gonna let them cool down. And I'd be lying if I said I was gonna take them out of that baking dish because I'm not. I'm gonna put aluminum foil over it or something. And then that's how we're gonna do that. Cause yeah, I'm gonna take some to work tomorrow because I know damn well I'm not gonna eat all them motherfucking cinnamon rolls. I should have cut that recipe in half because it makes 12. I'm only one person, barely even fucky. I'm gonna take those to work. I just wanted to make sure that this was good because I want to make these for like my guests. There's a lot of stuff that I want to make, so I'm just doing like a trial and not trial and error, but like a trial run to make sure it's how I want it. This, I don't know if I'm gonna tweak this recipe or not because I really don't know what it's missing, but it's really not missing anything, but it's like so close to being like the perfect cinnamon roll. So I don't know, but this was fun. And guys, follow this recipe. It's not my recipe. I got it from a girl on TikTok. I'm gonna put her name right here. Thanks, girl. It's great. 8.9 out of 10. Thanks for watching, y'all. Make sure you subscribe, you like, you share, and you comment. Girl, did you make these or not? Are you going to make them or not? And if you're lying, and if you're not going to make them, do they look good? Just tell me. Anyway, bye, y'all. It's 11:24 right now. I'm going to bed because I have work at 10:30 a.m. tomorrow. Probably not gonna go to bed, but I need to start winding down now because it takes me a minute to get to sleep. So y'all have a good night. Thank you. Love you. Bye, baby girls.